As y'all can see, plenty more room in here, none of them boxes. Everything's cleaned up, and I got me a little air freshener scent right here. And it smells really good. Too bad y'all can't smell it through the camera, bro. If y'all can smell it, bro, it smells really good in here right now. But y'all know we finally got the AC fixed in this car, so that means when I drive it, I don't have to drive the windows down. So I decided, why not go ahead and record a driving footage video, you know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know what y'all think about me doing a 2.0 makeover on this car. So if y'all don't know, I said in the video when I was cleaning this car that I plan on basically doing a remake of this car, so making it over, you feel me? I'm gonna give me some side skirts, put some side skirts on here. I'm gonna change my front bumper and upgrade it to the SRT front bumper, and I'm gonna reuse my grill. I'm gonna get new headlights, new side markers beside the headlights. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. It is too hot. I need to let the AC run for a second. Yeah, man, so y'all know we just cleaned up this car. We just cleaned up the inside of the car, basically, you know what I'm saying? Straighten everything up, and as y'all can see, plenty more room in here, none of them boxes. Everything's cleaned up, and I got me a little air freshener scent right here, and it smells really good. Too bad y'all can't smell it through the camera, bro. If y'all can smell it, bro, it smells really good in here right now. But y'all know we finally got the AC fixed in this car, so that means when I drive it, I don't have to drive the windows down. So I decided, why not go ahead and record a driving footage video, you know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have y'all on the headrest on this side, because I don't have no body camera mount or head camera mount to where I can have y'all sitting like here or on my chest, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have y'all on the headrest on this side right here, and y'all gonna be basically in the passenger seat. So basically like a passenger point of view plus a driver's point of view of driving footage, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna take the car for a little ride, for a little cruise real quick. Nothing too crazy, nothing too long, just quick, like 10-minute little video of driving footage, you feel me? And then like I said, next weekend it should be hot again next weekend, hopefully no rain. So I'm gonna try to wash this car and wash my bike Chevy. So wash both of them, you know what I'm saying? I haven't got to wash the bike Chevy since I put the wheels on there, and since I just cleaned the interior of this car, I want to go ahead and wash this one as well. So I want to have both of them clean, and I need to clean the inside of the box Chevy again because it's getting dusty from just sitting. But yeah, man, y'all know it's a lot. I'm still trying to do with all my cars, and we just basically taking it one day at a time, you feel me? One day at a time. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Driving, going around. I ain't gonna be going around the block. I might get on like a little boulevard real quick and hit a boulevard real quick, you know what I'm saying? Do it like that. But I'm not gonna get on the interstate, you feel me? If I get on the interstate, then I'm gonna have to drive 30 minutes somewhere and 30 minutes back, which would be a waste, because they don't have, on our interstate, they don't have like the middle section for you to make a U-turn. So I'm gonna have to drive like an extra 20 minutes just to be able to turn around. So it's not even worth it. I'm not gonna get on the interstate, but I will get on the boulevard, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Y'all just gotta stay tuned for everything we got going on, everything we got coming. And yeah, quick little driving footage with the car cleaned and everything, you know what I'm saying? And we're just gonna keep rocking out like that. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Let me know what y'all think about the hairdo, you know what I'm saying? I got a fresh little cut, so I'm basically trying to show it all the way off, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna keep rocking out regardless. So like I said, we finna get ready to get on the road, do a little bit of driving footage. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the angle of this video, the little point of view type deal. So yeah, I will catch y'all in a second once we get ready to get on the road, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get ready to go. So quick little cold start, well, warm start I should say. And y'all know we got AC, so I'm gonna be playing the AC the whole time. So yeah, y'all, I don't know if y'all can see, but the car is already warm. So let's go ahead and get on the road, and let's go for a cruise. And like I said, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about this angle. Put my seatbelt on. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this angle, how y'all feel about it, and let's go for a cruise. Like I said, man, go for a little drive. y'all can't feel the AC, man. I'm telling y'all, man, I'm loving having AC. Even though I don't play the AC all the time, I'm still so used to not having it. You know, I'm still trying to get used to it. I'm still so used to not having the AC. So I still be riding with my windows down from time to time. But having AC, bro, I'm telling you, it changes your whole ride of a car, bro, I'm telling you. And y'all let me know what y'all think about my exhaust. I'm gonna be changing the exhaust up. I wanna get, I want to do a dual exhaust exit because right now mine only got the single exhaust exit. So from the headers it connects in the middle right by the transmission, and then it just goes into one pipe. You feel me? So instead of leaving it connected right there by the transmission, I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it coming straight off from the headers, going straight back. So it'll be a dual exhaust exit instead of having just single exhaust. So like I said, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about that, and y'all let me know what y'all think about me doing the 2.0 makeover on this car. So if y'all don't know, I said in the video when I was cleaning this car that I plan on basically doing a remake of this car, so making it over. You feel me? I'm gonna give me some side skirts, put some side skirts on here. I'm gonna change my front bumper and upgrade it to the SRT front bumper, and I'm gonna reuse my grill. I'm gonna get new headlights, new side markers beside the headlights, and the rear bumper I'm not gonna change because it already got the dual exhaust exits, and my trunk already has a spoiler, so I'm not gonna be changing nothing in the rear end. But I might add a rear diffuser or some with a diffuser on the back. You feel me, on that rear bumper? So I might add something on the back of there. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about the makeover, and I'm most likely gonna repaint the whole car and throw a clear coat on it. If not, I'm gonna just throw a clear coat on the car just straight like it. You feel me? So it won't just be a matte car, a matte red color. But the only thing I like about my matte red color, you feel me, is it's different. You feel me? It's like 2 or 3 other red Chargers in the city I live in this little town. Same year, same model. You feel me? But theirs is gloss red, and mine is the only one with matte red paint job. You feel me? So that was one big deal breaker for me. Why I wanted to leave it matte instead of having a clear coat on it. You feel what I'm saying? So I mean, y'all let me know what y'all think of. Y'all think I should just go ahead and throw a clear on it? Then I most likely will. You feel me? I value y'all opinions a lot. I value y'all opinions real heavily. Like I said, man, it's just all about what y'all think. And I'm not gonna go crazy fast right now, you feel me? Because this exhaust is kind of loud. Really, I should just add some sound in here, and the exhaust won't be that loud, won't get a whole lot of raspy, and a lot of rattling, you feel me? The car rattling a lot, you feel me? You hear a lot of stuff shaking. Get some sound in up in here. But yeah, man, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about this angle. I tried it in a box Chevy. I think it turned out pretty good. I haven't dropped that video yet. Ooh, a C8 Corvette. There's about 4 of them in this town now. I've seen a white one. Yeah, that's a black one. That's probably about the 3rd one I've seen. I think I've seen a dark blue one too. But I've seen a whole lot of C7 Corvettes. A whole lot of them, bro. But then again, they cost a whole lot cheaper than the C8s. So of course, get over for that car. So of course I'm gonna see a lot more of them than the C8s, but I've been seeing a lot of C7s lately. Like yesterday when I was riding through town, just cruising, chilling, I think they was having like a Corvette meet, because it was literally like back to back C7 Corvettes, like non-stop, like probably about 10 of them in a row. So I think they was having like a Corvette meet or something, you feel me? But yeah, man, I'm excited to do this makeover on this car. Y'all notice my daily is the car I drive every day on a day-to-day basis. So I definitely wanna do something different with it, you feel me? So I think that makeover is really gonna set it off, make it look a lot better. And y'all know I'm gonna rock out with the motor that's in here until it go out. Then I plan on doing a scat swap motor. I wanna get a scat pack motor, a 6.4 scat swap instead of Hellcat swapping, because I wanna get a Hellcat wide body. So ain't no need of me having 2 Hellcat motors. I'd rather have different motors going down, you feel me? So I'm gonna go this way. Nah, actually, I'm not. I'm gonna go this way and then turn by hooks. So like I said, man, I plan on doing a scat swap on this car, and then I want to get me a wide body Hellcat Charger. So yeah, I don't want to have 2 Hellcat motors. I'd rather have one Scat Pack motor, one Hellcat motor, and do it like that, you feel me? And then my box Chevy, y'all know I got a 350. My Cutlass, I hope that motor, original motor, stay for as long as possible. Because if not, then I don't know what motor swap I want to do. But yeah, I don't want to have the same motor in every car, you feel me? So definitely with this, my Charger, I want to do a Scat swap with this one. And then I want to get a wide body Hellcat. Preferably I want a Daytona. If not, I want probably like a Red Eye or something, you feel me? But that's going to be later on down the line, after I finish my college degree, my master's degree, you feel me? My program and stuff. So my camera's not overheating because the AC is working, which is a first, you know what I'm saying? Usually when I have to have my windows down, my camera start overheating, but it's not. So yeah, man, I'm gonna give y'all a couple more minutes of this driving footage, and then I'm gonna turn y'all off and I'm gonna play my music because I like banging. I like hearing my subwoofers going. So yep. Man, my light don't want to change. There you go. I can give y'all a quick little pull real quick. Y'all hear my exhaust, man. So if y'all don't know, my motor I got in here is a 3.5 V6 high output 5-speed, you feel me? And my exhaust system, like I told y'all, it go from headers to a one pipe, and it's a one exhaust exit. And I got a glass pack on here, which I play. Like I said, I'm planning on changing my whole exhaust system on here. I'm gonna do dual exhaust, and I'm thinking about doing Flowmasters. You feel me? And I'm thinking about doing the Super 44s, which is what I got on my box Chevy. So this exhaust system sounds pretty good. It sounds like I got a V8 under it, even though I don't. Like I said, it's just a glass pack on here. No, nothing done to the motor besides I put a cold air intake on it. That's it. You feel me? Nothing done to this motor. Stock motor, V6, 3.5, 5-speed transmission. Yeah, man, I love driving this car, man. Y'all know this is the first car I ever bought, first car I ever owned. And yeah, as soon as I turned 16, I bought this car myself. I found it on OfferUp, and it had a rebuild title, and it was red. So I basically built this car from the ground up, you feel me? I had to deal with frame damage, had to deal with body damage. It didn't have no wheels. The car was sitting on bricks when I bought this car. I had to take wheels to get it. And then I drove it back. Transmission went out. Had to buy a brand new transmission from the dealership. Got that put in. I've done so much with this car, and I don't ever find myself getting rid of it unless it get in a really bad accident. So knock on wood. That's the only way I get rid of this car, if no saving. You know what I'm saying? Motor go out, I'm a motor swap it. If the body get damaged too bad, then to where I can't save it, then that's the only way I'm gonna let this car go. I don't ever plan on letting this car go. Y'all know how it is, you feel me? It's hard to get rid of the first car you ever bought or the first car you ever owned. And with this case, this is the first car I ever owned and the first car I ever bought. So like I said, I don't ever plan on getting rid of this car. I don't think I can find myself to get rid of it. You feel me? It's my first car, and for my first car, I always told myself I wanted a Charger. I needed a Charger for my first car, and I got it, you feel me? And I bought it myself. So like I said, I don't ever plan on being able to get rid of this car. I've done so much to it, put so much money in it, to where I don't think I can get rid of the car, you feel me? It's my baby, you feel me? It's my car. So like I said, I don't think I can ever get rid of this car. So I'm gonna give y'all about another minute. I'm gonna pull over at this gas station, and I'm gonna turn it off, and then I'm gonna drive back home with my music playing, you feel what I'm saying? And I'll catch y'all for the outro. So yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about this angle. Too bad y'all couldn't feel the AC. The AC feels so good, man. Perfect, bro. I'm telling y'all, the AC feels perfect. And that rattling, bro, I don't know what it is. I think something just not tight with this. Something like, yep, I'll stop it for a second. One of these trim pieces just not tight. I think that's it. Yep. So it's my bezel. I'm gonna have to tighten it some more or something. But yeah, man, I'm finna pull over at this gas station. close out this video. So yeah, man, I'll catch y'all for the outro. Y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, so like I said, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about that point of view, the driving footage, you feel me? I enjoyed it, you feel me? I love just driving my car, cruise, and being able to just talk to y'all, you know what I'm saying? When I'm not just jamming out to my music, banging out to my music, you feel me, with the speakers up super loud. So 1 second. So like I said, man, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. I love driving. Like I said, I love being in this car, especially with my air working now, so I don't have to ride with the windows down constantly. So like I said, man, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. Leave y'all opinions in the comments, and we're gonna keep rocking out like that. We're gonna keep doing driving footage, keep doing point of views, all that type of stuff. Everything I do with these cars, I'm gonna try to record as much as possible. Y'all know that. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoy it, like I said, and y'all just stay tuned for everything we got going on. There's a few things with this car we gotta do. We got to go ahead. 1 second. Y'all, I had to talk and say something to my granny real quick. She pulled up on us. So yeah, like I said, man, it's a lot we still gotta do with these cars. I gotta, like I said, the 2.0 makeover with this car. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. How y'all think about me doing that. I gotta get the paint, which was at AutoZone. They $50 for the can. It ain't a spray can or none of that, you feel me? It's actual paint, you know, and it's the paint that I use for this car. I think it's like $50 for the can. So I gotta get the paint, gotta get the bumper, and I gotta get the headlights, the side markers. I'm changing my tail lights out as well. The rear diffuser, I'm looking at one, side skirts, front splitter, and exhaust. So that's gonna be the makeover with this car until, like I said, until I gotta motor swap it. Box Chevy motor should be going in that car soon, really soon. Y'all stay tuned for that. So y'all know I bought a small block 350. It was built, and the only miles that should be on it is the break-in period miles. So not too far, about 3 hours there, 3 hours. So about 6 hours worth of driving. It should be the only miles on that motor. Colors is still in the fabrication shop getting this work done. Y'all know it's a lot of metal work getting done to that car, and that should be it. That's everything, you feel me? This weekend coming up, y'all know I just cleaned and vacuumed the interior of my Charger, this car. I gotta do the interior of my box Chevy again, and we're gonna wash the exterior of both the cars. Try to do that next weekend, because it's not supposed to rain, it's supposed to be warm, so I'm gonna try to do that next weekend. And what else? I ordered some extra speaker spacers. I had to send them back to Amazon and order some different ones. And yeah, it's a few more parts for the Cutlass I gotta order, which should be happening soon. I don't think it's nothing really else I gotta order for the box Chevy. Oh, y'all know I already got the chassis paint, and I got, where's the Rust-Oleum paint? Oh, here it goes. Thought I lost. So the rust to paint, to be able to paint is what I got. Converts rust to a protected paintable surface. So got both of those. We're gonna be doing a framework on the box Chevy, and I'm gonna get some more when the Cutlass come back, but I don't want to waste my money and just have it sitting. So I'm gonna get some more when the Cutlass come back, and we're gonna do the same thing to the Cutlass. So I'm trying to get as much of the frame as possible without taking the body off, you feel me? And then I gotta get the rear disc conversion kit for both of them cars. It's a lot. It's still a lot I gotta do with these cars. So yeah, the paint for the box Chevy, I told you I was gonna try to do it this summer. Now it's got to get pushed back, because it's a lot more I want to do before I get that car painted, because I don't want to mess up the paint job on the car. And then custom wheels, I'm gonna be getting that soon. Like, not even soon, it's gonna be a while for that as well. So like I said, man, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments with everything, how y'all feel about the driving footage, man. It's gonna be the end of this one. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share these videos, keep growing and elevating together. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.